face was wake up like a young girl and 25.
25. Now you look very... Karina, you are from France?
Yeah.
What part of France?
Paris.
Paris. I love Paris. You've got the lovely French accent.
Thank you.
So how did you hear about us?
I heard about this Instagram or something.
And what was it about us that you liked?
About me, myself, I want to be nice.
You already look so young.
Yeah, I know, I'm 54, but I want to...
You want to look a bit younger than 54? Okay. We're going to do upper 3-point lift today to do your temporal fossa. We can see concavity across here. So I'm going to lift this up, reduce that. And then if you just look up for me, you can see the volume loss around the tear trough. And you've never had any fillers before either?
No, it's my first time.
Fantastic.
My first experience.
Wow. It's going to be the best experience. This is you've peaked now. Yeah, it doesn't get any better than this coming to me. So, how arrogant. No, I'm joking. But yeah. Yeah. So all of this volume has been lost around the temporal fossa, which makes then the forehead look imbalanced and it concaves in. Now she's already got these natural high cheekbones, but we want the actual frontalis, or the lateral point of frontalis, to smoothly transition to that superior point of the zygomaticus. And then, so what we've had to do is actually go into 4 different areas, but we're doing periosteal injections onto the bone. So when we inject onto the periosteum and we do a slow aspirate, we're able to then inject safely. A lot of people like to use cannula in this area, but I don't really like cannula because cannulas can still penetrate the posterior, anterior, deep temporal arteries, and that could cause vascular occlusion. So I think onto bone, and we went into multiple sites. And look at the difference here. The temple here is so much more fuller now, right? And now if you look over obviously onto this side, look at the difference already. Okay, so far we have done the 3-point lift. So we've addressed the temple. We can see a very, very significant marked difference here with your temple here. We've done the tear trough, and comparing the two sides, even though it's subtle, it makes such a big difference. Your cheekbone here is much higher or lifted. It's a lot more smoother around here compared to over here, where you've got obviously like the nasolabial fold, you've got the tear trough lateral canthus here, and it just kind of like slants down. The eye here slants down. Come and take a look.
Yeah. There is. Yeah.
Big difference?
Yeah, big difference between this one. This one is red. Yeah, this one's more very fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, big difference. Well done. Good job.
Thank you. I love the way you said that. Well done. No, good job. That was a really bad French accent. Sorry to any French accent people. So you can see, look, now this is so much more smoother. So I've just done the cheeks and the nasolabial folds. It's looking much more better, but you can just see from here, it's just a little bit of a shadow there. Just add a touch more just here. Let's have a look at you.
Much better.
Yeah.
My face was wake up like a young girl and 25.
25. Now you look very good. It looks amazing, and I love how we've now been able to lift this cheek up and make it more even. And it looks light already.
Yeah.
So it really helped. How did you feel? So you had a bit of a wobble because you've been fasting. Obviously, you didn't have much sugar.
Yeah. No, I was okay because I was fasting. But it was very good, and you I don't know, I forget, but you was very good. You welcome the people very nice. So my English was not very good. You can come in because it's very nice, very quiet. You don't have people who look after you, just him and you.
nice and private.
me, and he do very well. He's very kindly man. He's very nice man, polite and everything.
I'll pay you later. I'll give you some extra money now.
No.
And look at the nice calming water.
Yeah, because you sit down there and you can listen to music. You don't need to stress because you have the water and the music was there.